Welcome to Mishna study, Masechet Kilayim, Perek Vav Mishnah Bet. We're going to continue on the theme of the Aris. Now, the Aris that we spoke about last Mishnah, we said again, it's a vine that's growing up a wall, up a trellis, right? As opposed to just growing on the ground. Again, it's five of these vines. So if you have this Aris, and let's say it's coming out of a step, right? So you have a platform, a step, and you have it, coming, up the step and over, right? So it comes, let's say, okay, up the step and all the way over. So you want to go ahead and pick it from over here, right? It's growing on the step, right? But you may be able to reach it when you're even not, standing on that step. The question is, how far does this Aris extend? Right? What's the law of this Aris? I'll show you a quick picture of it. Rambam draws a picture. Right, you see it's on the step. It grows from on top of the step, and then it, heads over rightward, over the regular ground. I saw this other picture also. Someone drew online, which is really cute. Right, you see the step, and you have these 5 vines. They're going up. It's going up a wall, up a trellis, and then it's hanging over, and the person's standing on that step. Okay, so let's go through the Mishnah. We'll explain what's the law. So Aris shu yotzeh min madriga. Now you have to understand the picture. You have an Aris that's coming off a step. It's projecting off a step. Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov omer, im omed ba'aretz, if he could stand on the ground, on ground level, ubotzer et kulo, and actually reach everything, reach the grapes, harei ze oser. This is oser arba amot basadeh, right? This is considered Kilayim. This is considered a vine that's on top of a if there's wheat growing underneath it, that's asur. It also extends 4 amot from that airspace, right? Because since you could reach it, it's considered as if it's growing in that spot, and you need to take 4 amot from even the area that's hanging over. Ve'im lav, let's say he cannot reach, it's too high. Eno oser ela kenegdo. It's only asur kenegdo, Rambam explains, from the root itself, right? So if we go back to the picture, from the actual root of the, the first case, right? The first case is if again, he's standing, if he can reach, then from wherever you could reach, and also 4 amot in each direction, right? So you see that red line, 4 amot from that line in each direction is going to be asur. But let's say he cannot reach, right? So then it's going to be from the root, right? From the root of the vine, 4 amot in each direction, right? So 4 amot in each direction from the root, not from the hanging over space. So I think also that whatever is hanging over is also going to be asur, but you don't need to take 4 amot from that space, right? Well, the only 4 amot you need to take, right, left, east, west, north, and south is from the root of the Aris where it's growing from on this step. Okay, that's Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov. That's his opinion. And Rabbi Eliezer comes and says, let's say a person plants one, meaning one row, a regular row, not on a trellis, regular row on the ground, another row, 5 vines on the step. Do they combine? Even 3 and 3, let's say. 3 on the ground, 3 on the step. Do they combine to be a vineyard? We said we need 2 rows for a vineyard if it's not on a trellis. So if the step is higher than 10 tefachim high, it's not mitzaref, it doesn't combine. But if not, if it's less than 10 tefachim, then we consider it on the same level, and they are mitzaref, they combine to form a vineyard, right? And now we don't distance 6 tefachim from it. Now we need to distance 4 amot. Halacha is both like Rabbi Eliezer ben Yaakov and like Rabbi Eliezer.